completely forgot. I need to trim my bumper because you can't go up from a 16 to a 20 and it's, you know, wider. So I need to trim the bumper so it'll be able to fit. So this will be a how-to trim that 1994 Ford F-250 bumper. But I can't do it today. I just gotta buy the fucking angle grinder today so I can, you know, do it tomorrow. Yeah, let's go ahead and go. It already gives you guys a little visual, but I'm gonna have to cut like a nice slant so it still follows the body line and like just cut it nice because this is already rubbing like at full turn, it rubs. And this is, you know, stock wheels and everything like that. It's just I had to put a different bumper on mine because I fucked mine up. I guess I'll get the bumper from Walmart or some shit. I mean, not the bumper, the fucking angle grinder from Walmart. Alright, so I'm gonna get some painter's tape too so I can eye out what the fuck I'm cutting. Alright, so I got the shit. I got the angle grinder. Some tape so, you know, I can eye out what I'm doing and I don't go past the shit because I want it to look good. And I got some glasses because I don't want to fuck up my eyes. Hopefully this gets the job done. But I gotta go to work, so I'm not doing it today because I get off at 9 o'clock and it's gonna be all dark and shit. I'm gonna do it in the morning when I wake up and just, you know, grind it off. And then, you know, the wheels should be able to fit, but if it doesn't, I'll be able to grind out some more. But the way they are now, they won't fit at all. So let's go ahead and get to work. All right, so we back the next day. Fuck. All right, I got the grinder and all the shit right here. I got a very close bumper to tire, so let's go ahead and get the grinding this shit up. All right, so I know you guys are probably saying already that I have a line with this dark looking area right here, but I don't want it to just shave that off. I want it to go, you know, like to follow the line of the body straight down. So that's why I bought tape, so I can like not fall off that. So I'm gonna just tape it at a nice down angle. Hopefully all this water and shit doesn't make it fall off. And hopefully this is, you know, far enough to get the fucking 20 in there. I'll take the grinder with me when I put the tires and shit on, just in case it's not, you know, big enough. All right, I think that'll be good right there. Put your handy dandy glasses on. Yeah. All right, I gotta plug this motherfucker in. I'm scared. Not bad. I don't really know how to attack it with this thing. This thing is weird. Maybe I should turn the wheel a little bit. Like turn it in so I don't fuck up the tire. That's fucking scary, bro. That's fucking scary, bro. I'm about to turn the tire, bro. This is fucking scary to me. I don't know why. I feel like a little bitch. All right, hopefully that's good. I had to get some earplugs because this shit is loud as fuck. But I'm making good progress, I think. I'm turning thin metal to thinner metal, so that means you're making progress, which means you'll eventually chew through it, right? Let's get to work. Alright, so I've made some progress. I've gotten through. As you can see, it's open now. Let's keep going. Shit. I'm nearly there, as y'all can see. Just gotta get through a little more. I guess like all the sparks are flying up there. It looks so dope. Like, it looks fire as fuck. But yeah, I'm nearly done. I just got, you know, a few more inches, probably like 9 or 10 inches, and I'll be all the way through. All right, so as y'all can see, I've gotten through it a good bit now. Like, I can actually bend the metal. I just need to do probably about, I got a lot more to go. It gets through it pretty fast. I've caught on to what you have to do. You kind of have to like lead into like the part where you cut and just like keep cutting right there. Like, don't, you know, like you kind of have to start a new cut, but once you start it, go back to it. I guess that's how you would say it, but it's pretty easy. It's not that hard. It's raining a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can still get this side up before it gets bad. Because all this shit is electric and I don't want to fuck it up. So if it does get bad, I'm gonna, you know, stop it for a second and then get the other side. But it is raining a little bit. I feel a little bit of drizzle. So I got through, as y'all can see, it's a pretty straight cut. Here, let me step back. It's pretty straight, like it's almost unnoticeable, you know? So it doesn't even look that bad. So when the wheel gets in there, I hope it'll be able to fit and it won't rub at all, or I mean, just a little bit of rubbing, you know, I won't mind. That means I can like adjust it and, you know, find places where I'll need to, you know, trim it out a little more. So the rain's starting to come down a little bit more now, so I'm gonna take all this electric shit inside because I don't want to fuck it up. But it doesn't look that bad, guys. It doesn't look that bad. So I'm gonna do the other side when it stops raining a little bit, because these are brand new tools and, you know, I want to keep them for a lifetime at least, you know. This is the metal that was on it, so it's trim. I mean, it ate through it. It ate through it pretty good, so. That old metal was thick as fuck. But I'm gonna have to put this somewhere safe so nobody accidentally cuts themselves on it. And that, in my eyes, would be the fire pit, because nobody wants to be in the fire pit. All right, so I'm back out. Try and get the other side done because it stopped raining. Let me give it one more good look. It doesn't look that bad. Like, returning back to it to look at it, you know? I wouldn't say from factory like that, but it doesn't look that bad. I really don't know what that black shit is, though. That black shit right there, I really don't know what that is. But let's see if we can get the other side off. Same thing, different side. Come on, cord. All right, I'm really not gonna care about or talk that much with this one, but let's go ahead and cut it up. Paint is literally bubbling up. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's bubbling up. What the fuck? That just caught me by surprise. All right, so next clip, it'll be off. All right, so I got the other side off, and now we Gucci. So we should be able to fit 2 big ass 20s under here and be able to turn without a problem. And if we do rub, it shouldn't be that bad. I may have to clean it up a little bit, like up here a little bit, but I don't think it'll rub too bad. If it does, I'll clean it up definitely. So I mean, that's pretty much to it, you know, how to trim the bumper on a OBS F250. It's not that hard. It's not that hard at all. Thank you guys for watching. I'm not gonna say it, but I have to. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I love you.